If you are a man who finds himself drawn to younger women, listen closely. You think you need to act like a boy to keep up with them, right? You think you need the energy, the games, and the constant excitement. Stop. If you play that game, you will always lose. But if you learn how to use your maturity as your ultimate weapon, you become non-negotiable. Today, we are turning your age into your greatest superpower. Hi guys, I am Elena, and welcome back to Dating by Elena. Today we are decoding the psychology of age gap attraction. And no, we are not talking about anything abnormal, just the healthy, natural attraction between a mature man and a vibrant younger woman. First, let's talk about experience. If you are in your 30s, 40s, or beyond, you are not just older, you are a library of lessons. A young guy might have raw energy, but he lacks the manual for a relationship. You have survived the storms. You know that looks aren't everything, and that a full wallet doesn't buy a happy home. When you sit down with a woman, she should feel that. She should see a man who doesn't resort to petty arguments, silence, or running away. You are the anchor. While others get lost in the noise, you bring logic, calm, and masculine direction. That isn't just attraction, that is safety. Maturity means you know the language of her heart. You know when to talk, when to joke, and most importantly, when to be silent. You don't need to win every argument with logic. You win by leading the quality of the relationship to a higher level. That is the kind of memory a woman doesn't forget. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the "how old are you" question. Most men shrink. They get defensive. They make self-deprecating jokes, or they try to change the subject. That screams insecurity. When she asks, look her in the eyes, smile, and say, "I'm 40, and honestly, I'm at the age where I don't make mistakes in who I choose." See the difference? You just turned a number into a declaration of intent. Here is your final realization. You are not an old piece of clothing that has been worn out. You are a diamond. You have been polished by life, by pressure, and by experience. If you see yourself as a diamond, she will see the sparkle. If you act like you are fading, she will treat you as such. You don't need to play the role of a younger man. You need to play the role of the best version of yourself. If you want to know how to master these dynamics and never feel insecure about your age again, drop the word power in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you are ready to stop repeating the same mistakes from your past, click the masterclass on the screen right now. Stay confident, own your journey, and take action.